Today, David is going to visit a local exhibition. He heard about it a while ago. David bought a ticket the day before yesterday. This exhibition is taking place in an old part of the town. It is located not far from his hotel, therefore David is going on foot there. It starts at 7 p.m. And now David is getting ready for it. He is going to take his photo camera with him and take some pictures there. The exhibition lasts for 3 hours. After it ends up, David will go to a restaurant.